Hello everyone, this is the most waited video, which is a brand new video on Python, why Python is needed for ETL automation. So in this series, we are going to cover Python for few days. So I'll be mentioning as day 1, day 2, and we are going to day 1, day 2 and followed by days. And we are going to talk about Python for ETL automation testing. Again, I'm repeating Python for ETL automation testing. So we will start from very basic so that everyone understand. In Python, if you wanted to print something, you use a command called hello world. Print. So I'm using print hello world. Hello world is a message and print is the command. So if you see any other programming language, we use system.out.println as an example Java. But here it is so easy. Just one command, print, and then the message. Any message you can pass it here. So this is your, so I'll go here and I will take the collab and see here. It's printing. Similar way, if you wanted to assign any value to an variable, print A. Right? It is printing the value. But if you go to any other programming language, you must be aware like we have to declare the value with the data type. But in Python, we don't need that. Python has the intelligence to understand what type of data type have you passed it. A equal to 10, print A. So it understand what type of data type. Now, I wanted to print what type of data type I am using it. You can put here type A. You can see here, it is displaying that you have passed integer. Similar way, if I just pass a string, these are the things that are very important, guys, because these are basic. If you wanted to write any kind of framework in ETL, like Pandas or PySpark, you should know how to pass the variable, how to see the data types, how to print something. These are the basics you should know when you work as a ETL automation. You have to learn all these things in Python because Panda and PySpark has been developed on Python. So you must be aware of these concepts. Similar way, if you wanted to comment for the multiple lines, you will be using this double quote. Okay, so 3 double quotes here, 3 double quotes here. Single line, if you wanted to comment this, just we'll put a hash like this. So this is similar like a data types and variables. In Python, there is some way to denote the variables for the values, like variable name, how you can denote it. That we are going to learn now. Now, let me explain you how you can denote the variables. It accept underscore. It accept after any character, any numeric value. It accepts that. Underscore any character. It accepts it. But if you use one first numeric and then the character, it does not accept. It will throw an error. Class, it's a keyword. So you cannot use that as a variable name. So that cannot be used. So you should learn that. Guys, I'm teaching you from very basic so that you understand why we need this. So please try to understand and comment me if you don't understand anything. Now, data types type, I have already. Boolean, if you wanted to pass some Boolean value, how I can do that? Okay, you can see here, bool. because true false is a Boolean value. If you wanted to do the data conversion, so I have here, it's a string because something you put it as double quote, it is a string. So I wanted to convert value from string to integer. How I can do that? You can see I have passed age equal to 25 in double quote. So it is a string. When I print that, it will populate first time as a string. Though I convert that to the integer of age, print type of age. Now, if you see here, first data type is a string, the next data type after converting it is an integer. This is the way you can do the data conversion. So what we have learned, we have till now learned how to print the data, how to pass the data type, how to print what type of data you are using with type command, right? How to comment your any line of code, how to do the data conversion. These all things we have learned till now. Next, I will tell you the operators, guys. This is very important. Okay. Now understand, I have A equal to 20 and B equal to 10. A plus B, 30. A minus B, 10. A into B, 200. A divisible to by B, matlab A by B, 20 by 10, 2. A mod 2. So I'll just change this value so that you understand instead of mod 2 means what? It will display the remainder, guys. When you put double division, right sign, this will help you to identify only the value before decimal. So if I just execute this, see here. First one, summation 23, then 17, then 60, then if you wanted to do the division, multiplication, this this, then division 6.666, then modular, which will take only the remainder. So it is taking the remainder. This before the division, what value is there? So this is, I'm talking about this one. So before the decimal, what value? It is 6, that one. Into 2. So it is power by. So 20 power by 3, which is 8,000. So these are a different operators. So today we have learned print command, data types, variables, comment, how to comment the code, and we have learned how to pass the operator in Python. Please go through this all concept because these are very basic concept for ETL automation. I will come back tomorrow again a new series data of the Python, or maybe new series of data set of Python, new coding set of Python. I will come tomorrow with new video. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye.